Hi, my name is Christina Kuzmich from ChristinaKuzmich.com, and today I want to show you how to freeze leeks. Now, if you're not familiar with leeks, they come from the onion family and they are delicious when sauteed. So what we're going to do first is get rid of this guy right here, the root. You're going to discard that. And also, we don't use the dark green parts of the leek, so I'm going to cut that off. You only want to use the white and I'm actually even going to cut a little more, and the very, very light green part of the leek. So we're going to discard all that. And now we're just going to slice them like that. Now what happens with leeks is a lot of dirt gets stuck in there, and it's hard to clean. So I'm going to show you a tip. You're going to throw these pieces of leek in here and kind of push the little rings out. And what's going to happen is after it sits in this ice water, all the dirt is going to sink to the bottom. So let that sit for a little while. Then you're going to take a slotted spoon, plate lined with paper towels, and we're just going to gently, again, don't stir the water because you're going to bring that dirt up. Let it dry. And then what we're going to do is take a baking sheet and just place your little rings on here. Make sure they're not touching, because instead of just throwing all this in a plastic bag and freezing it like that, they're all going to stick together. This way, they're going to freeze individually. Show you right here. So these are already frozen. And now when you stick them in the bag, you can just take a few out. They're not going to stick together. So, plastic bag. Throw these in. I'm going to use some of them for tonight's dinner, so I'm only freezing a few. Seal that airtight and throw it in the freezer, and that's that. I'm Christina Kuzmich. Thanks for watching.